Welcome to eProlo Academy, your go-to resource for mastering dropshipping. eMarketer is forecast that TikTok monthly active users will reach to 88.7 million by 2024. TikTok has become a non-neglect platform for dropshipping. Viral content on TikTok can hugely boost your dropshipping business. Today, we're talking about creating viral content on TikTok. To make viral content on TikTok, we have to learn TikTok algorithm first. The TikTok algorithm is the recommendation system of TikTok. It decides what kind of videos will show up on your page by tracking your preference. Therefore, understanding the TikTok algorithm is important for creating viral content. Three main factors affect the TikTok algorithm. The first one is user interactions. User interaction is based on like button, comment, and several options that reflect what kind of content the user likes or doesn't like. TikTok tends to recommend the videos the users like to make them spend more time on TikTok. The second one is video information. You may spend more time watching pet video if you're a pet lover. The TikTok algorithm will recognize your preference and put more pet videos on your page automatically. The last factor is settings. You can edit your settings, such as screen time and language preference. This helps the TikTok algorithm detect what kind of person you are, and TikTok prefers to recommend videos made by creators from your country. That's the three main factors that affect the TikTok algorithm. Then, how do we connect our dropshipping business with the TikTok algorithm? The first step is to edit your settings to make your account approximately approach your target audience. After that, you can use the related keyword to find out what kind of videos your target audience likes most. Try to imitate and recreate those viral videos. It will help you to grow the sense of making viral content. Except for the TikTok algorithm, we also need to know what kind of videos have the potential to become viral content. After we had done lots of research, we find out three shareable elements of viral content. The first one is chaos. A normal product video contains product name, usage, advantage, purchase link, etc. People only stay when they really need this products. A chaotic video means visitors don't know what exactly they can get from the video. Let's see a video first.
Amazon Home finds. This is a tangle-free charging cable that sticks together with magnets. These automatic candle extinguishers clip onto the candle and put the flame out when it burns too far. This pop-up laptop stand sticks to your laptop and improves your prostate whilst working. These metal cubes go in the freezer and then they cool your drink down without diluting it. This is a vibrating wand, and when you rub it over your face, it stops your skin from aging. This is the coolest candle I've ever seen. It's completely see-through, has a frog in the middle, and smells amazing. This padlock is opened with your fingerprint, so it's great for people who lose their keys. This egg timer starts off red and turns white to let you know when your eggs are cooked. If you always burn yourself lighting candles, then you need this lighter. It uses electricity and has a bendy end, so your hand is away from the flame. This portable hand soap comes in these cool strips which dissolve when you put them in water.
The video introduces multiple products. It looks busy, but doesn't tell us any useful information. It's a comment below this video. As you can see, a visitor commented and wondered what she can get from this product. Surprisingly, this video has 2K views. This kind of videos prove people will be more likely to stay on your page when they feel complex and chaotic. The second secret to make your content viral is controversial. The essence of controversial is to arouse emotion. Let's see a video.
What am I gonna do? Stop that or leave the store?
I have to leave the store?
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't do that here.
This person are using a stuff to get the perfume from perfume samples. It's a controversial behavior, and it bring 1K views. People show shock, anger, complexity, and interested in the comment. This huge traffic will bring considerable conversion.
The last one is story. Preparing an eye-catching hook to catch visitors within 3 seconds is also important for making a story video. A simple example is a series of, "My boyfriend bought me a" videos.
Just say goodnight and love everything you do. You call me fucking dumb for the stupid shit I do. I'm back with you. Fully undressed, no shirt.
It's a kind of easy and boring video, but people just can't stop to watch it. Using story to introduce your product can bring you a great partial of organic traffic. The third way is trying to chase the trends if you want to make viral content on TikTok. You might take advantage of a current trend to show that your product is relevant and useful to customers now. Here are some ways to help you discover the current trend on TikTok. The first is using hashtags. TikTok provides a creative center for creators. You can search and browse what's trending now in different countries. This hashtags page will show the current number of posts and views, rank, relative creators, etc. You could create a relative video to chase the trend with hashtags. You can also chase the current trends with songs. The song page will show you the popular songs and breakout song now. You could make a product video with this song. You might get surprising results by trying to recreate the breakout song. TikTok encourages users to collaborate with other creators. They provide a listing of creators in the Creative Center. You can use a filter to find the creators and connect them via TikTok Creator Marketplace. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching. At the end of this video, I also want to tell you that making viral content is not an easy task. You need to keep the TikTok algorithm, shareable elements, and current trends in mind. It's also important to develop personal skills like addition capacity and music sense. We can make related videos if you guys are interested. You may not succeed at one time, just keep trying, and you'll be better.